The topics I want to talk about is, first off, just kind of talk about cancer. We all kind of understand cancer in like a big picture standpoint, but from like a GP standpoint, I'm going to simplify cancer just a little bit. So what is cancer? Cancer is when one cell forgets that the most important thing it serves is the entire body. So there are all these checks and balances in the body, and the immune system is supposed to be on the lookout for this one cell that's taking over or trying to take over the body. Some versions of cancer just start right at that one spot and just get bigger and bigger and bigger and turn into a mass. Some versions of cancer, that one cell spreads throughout the entire body, kind of all over everywhere. But it's the immune system and the body being centered that helps prevent cancer. Now, there's a little bit of time and there's a little bit of age component that as everyone, every dog, every animal, every cat gets older, their immune system gets weaker. Those checks and balances don't work as well. Their immune system can't fight as much. Something gives. Sometimes the thing that ends a pet's life is cancer. And from a big picture standpoint, what's happening is their immune system can no longer do those checks and balances. Their immune system is no longer fighting those little cells on a microscopic level anymore, and it can't handle it. As a GP vet, my job is to try to help my patients stay healthy. That's my job. That's what I am designed to do. I would rather my pets be healthy than for them to be sick. So doing an annual exam, an exam once a year, I look for signs. I look for signs that the immune system's not balanced. I look for signs of general sickness. And I look for early signs of cancer if I can find them. Some cancers you can't really detect early, but sometimes it's the owners feeling, their pets, they know their pets super well. They know what lumps and bumps pop up. Sometimes you just bringing it to your vet's attention helps us detect cancer sooner. So if you're feeling your pet and you feel that little tiny bump and you're not sure if it's normal, it's so much better that you reach out to your vet or you bring it up at your annual exam. Maybe jot it down if you don't have time or money to come in just for that visit. If your annual's in like a month, if it's not getting bigger, jot it down for yourself so you remember. But show your vet, show them, and we can look at it and we can kind of help you decide, is this a type of lump and bump that we need to address now? Or is this a lump and bump that we can keep an eye on? And your general practice vet is gonna help you decide that. They're gonna help know, like they don't always know 100%, but they're gonna help you make that decision for your pet. So if you're worried about your pet, if you're trying to prevent cancer, the things that you can do is continue your annual exams just once a year.